Hey guys, I am G-Vice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes guys, finally I have the time now to sit down in front of the camera here in my small space doing these things out. And it's been such a long time that I haven't had any upload on this channel, and finally I have now a content. I am back with the things I love doing. And please, if you haven't been a subscriber yet, please do subscribe on the channel. Click the notification bell down below for you to be updated whenever I post a new videos online. For this video guys, I just want to share to you what I have with these two bags. I will just share to you guys my skincare and cosmetics haul. I know it's just a few things on these bags guys, but I really want to share to you. And yeah, it will be just a quick video guys, so bear with me. And yeah, again guys, if you want to help me, please don't skip ads para meron pa tayong pambili guys. And let's go back into the video. So for the first bag, which is this Watsons guys, some of my influencer friends went to Mall of Emirates for the Independence Day of the Philippines celebration happened at the Mall of Emirates Watsons. I saw their posts and luckily I was on the area at that time. Me and my friends were actually at Dubai at that time, and we're just like few steps away from the Mall of Emirates. So pumunta kami guys. Me and Jello actually went to Mall of Emirates para i-check itong sale nila because nakita ko sa mga posts, it will be like up to 75% off. So we just have like few items there. But before anything else guys, I just want to share to you also this. This is the new perfume Brave Extreme Eau de Parfum. It was given to me by a special friend. Thank you so much for the Eid given to me by one of my special friends. So this is how it looks like. I don't have any idea yet kung ano talaga yung amoy nito. So I will just update you guys with this. Pero if I'm not mistaken, it's also made in France lah. But I'm not so familiar with the brand. So kung alam niyo yung brand guys, just comment down below kung ano talaga yung scent niya kasi wala talaga akong idea. Then I have only like 2 items here, and the first one is this. I got this caffeine eye cream with peptides and 0.55% caffeine. It says here that it reduces the appearance of dark circles. If I'm not mistaken guys, caffeine for the under eye actually helps with puffiness as of my research. And correct me if I'm wrong. Naghahanap talaga ako ng product na for the under eye kasi yung meron ako dito is it's actually for the dark circles and the wrinkles. So the retinol, alam niyo yun, kung familiar kayo sa retinol guys, yun yung ginagamit ko now, but they don't have caffeine. So I'm actually trying to find something like with the caffeine. So ito siya. And nabili ko lang to guys, very mura lang. If I'm not mistaken, I just bought it like less than 20 dirhams, like around 15 dirhams and below. So ito siya guys, ganito siya. Open natin. So ganito siya, yan. 15 ml na rin yung product. So it's brightening caffeine eye cream. So ganyan. Yan siya. So hindi rin ako familiar sa product, first time ko rin tong makita. So, let's see how it works. Then, yung second item na nabili ko is actually this. This is the Collagen by Watsons Youth Secret Dual Retinol and HA Night Nourishing Cream. Made in Korea. So, ganito siya guys. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. So, nabili ko lang din to ng very cheap. Here's the price. Ito, nabili ko lang siya na, it was 109.52 dirhams, but I got it only for 25.28. So, it's 78 discount, while the eye cream it was 40 dirhams. Then I just got it for 11.34 dirhams. So, very cheap lang siya, guys. So, ganito siya. Then, gusto ko lang i-try to night cream kasi first, it's with dual retinol and I really want anti-aging when it comes to night cream kasi wala akong gagawin. I'm not exposed to the sun, di ako stressed, matutulog lang naman ako and everything. So, and yung ginagamit ko from Beauty Derm naubos na. So, wala pa naman akong mapagbilhan na replenish nung gold serum nila. So, I just want to try this while waiting. Jello and I, bought the same of this. So, ganito siya. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, ha. Ganyan. So, it is 50 ml na and it's a night nourishing cream. I will just update you guys. Follow me also on my all social media accounts. I am Gbites, both TikTok and Instagram account kasi may mga iba akong contents doon, guys. So, I'm planning to do like a review, individual review of the products I use. Maybe I will post it on my TikTok account. So, just follow me also there. So, yan siya. So, these are just the 2 items I got from the Watsons. So, yun lang sa guys. Wala naman ako masyadong binili doon. And then, I just want also to include this small paper bag. It's actually a jewelry here. Like this. I got 3 items. The first item is this. Ito siya. Kikita nyo ba? The first item is this gold earrings. Actually, I just have like 1 piercing here. So, basically, isa lang yung earring na ginagamit ko. And I am so hooked with this design. It's so unique. I really love pieces that are so unique. Ganito siya. Kita niyo ba? Ganyan. Yan siya, guys. Para siyang Valentina vibes. Like, ganyan. Very snaky. Snake siya, guys. Ganyan. Snake. Yan. So nice. It's very unique. And only 1 piece left. Kasi binili ko na lang din to. Ito siya. And then, I also got this. This is a silver ring. Kasi, actually, matataba kasi yung kamay ko, guys. So, wala ako masyadong accessory na nilagay sa kamay. I'm planning to do it here, like that. Like that. Okay, here. Ganyan. Diyan ko siya ilalagay. Ito siya. Meron lang siyang, very simple lang yung design. Yan. Yan siya. Kita nyo ba? Yan. Ganyan lang siya. Yan lang. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Very simple. I'm planning to put it like here. Yeah. Size 10 siguro to. Or pwede rin dito. Yan. Gusto ko lang yung mga ganyan. Yung mga dito. Para simple lang. Ganyan. And lastly, a new silver necklace. Ito siya. Ganito siya. Ay, makapal lang siya na necklace. Ganito siya kakapal. Ako kung nakikita nyo ganyan. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya kakapal, guys. Ganyan. Sa June 19, I will be one of the entourage sa kasal ni Renjo at saka ni Angel dito sa Abu Dhabi, guys. So, my accessories will be on silver. So, gagamitin ko to kasi medyo mas makapal. So, medyo mas maganda siya. Kasi ang motif for the bride, because I will be under the bride's entourage, and it's burnt orange or like orange. So, orange is actually good when you wear it with like silver accessories. For me, with my complexion. So, eto siya. So, gagamitin ko siya dun, guys. Kaya ako bumili nito. Yan lang siya. Inad ko lang ito sa home na to para ma-ROI naman. Joke. Then, let's move on sa makeups na binili ko, guys, kasi I really want to invest makeups na pwede sa mga pangmatagalan at pangmalakasang event because if you're following me sa Instagram, actually, naglakad ako sa Kalayaan 2026 under Mami Josie, and it was really so hot guys sa venue. And nag-ayos ako ng around like 11, then 1 o'clock na sa event place na kami, and then 1 pa kami ng mga around 3 or 3:30, and dapat yung mukha mo is hindi hulasin. Knowing myself, pawisin ako guys. So, sobrang pawisin ako. And yung mga gamit ko lang doon ay yung mga available na meron ako dito na ginagamit ko sa mga usual events ko lang. Pero hindi sila yung pangmalakasan guys. So, I really try to invest na lang sa mga medyo pangmalakas ng brand. Like MAC. Kasi may discount yung friend ko. So, I just availed it na lang. So, I just have like 2 pieces here, then and another brand. Another brand that I bought actually is this from Flormar kasi wala talaga akong setting powder or translucent powder na ginagamit. Then, according sa mga friends ko na nag-work sa makeup, I really need to have this if I want my face to be fully set para hindi siya hulasin at kayang makipaglaban ng buong araw. So, the cheapest one that I bump into nung bumili ako ay actually from Flormar. Pinuntahan namin to sa Remall nung pumunta kami ng friend ko after a collab with a brand. So, dumiretso na lang kami sa Remall and yeah, binili namin to. Ito lang siya. Yeah. Loose powder lang siya from Flormar. So, yung yan yung kulay niya. Silver sand or invisible lang siya. So, yan yung binili ko doon. Then, nagbigay siya ng free na lightweight lip powder. Ito siya. Lightweight na lip powder from Flormar. Then, yan. Ito na ba? Yan siya. Yan siya in the shade. Anong shade to? Pleasure. In the shade Pleasure siya, guys. And yung 2 items is yung actually pinunteriya ko lang doon sa MAC was this. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. It's a 24-hour matte foundation plus oil control. So, feeling ko okay to sa akin. And then, skin tone match lang kami doon. The perfect match for my skin tone is actually NC42. Pero sabi ko, mostly ng mga binibili kong products sa mga makeup thing is 1 shade lighter sa skin tone ko kasi nag-oxidize siya sa akin. So, I actually bought a 1 shade lighter from my skin tone which is NC42. So, kumuha na lang ako ng NC41. And hindi ko alam na bago na pala yung packaging ng MAC. So, may free pump na pala siya. Kasi dati, bibili ka ng additional ng pump ng MAC. So, ito siya. Ganyan siya, guys. Yan. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, siguro matagal ko naman na to. Meron na rin siyang SPF. So, yeah. So, I really love it. It's actually kind of pricey para sa akin sa mga makeup na hindi naman ako masyado mahilig mag-makeup sa mga ano dyan. It's actually pricey but I need it. So, ito. And then, bumili na lang din ako ng MAC Fix Plus na yung OG nila na Fix Plus. Para, ito siya. Ito siya guys. Ito yung OG nila na Fix Plus. Yan. Iba na rin pala yung itsura niya guys. Dati hindi ganito yung packaging. So, ito siya. So, that's basically it guys. Ito lang naman yung mga binili ko na skincare and makeup. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys. And hopefully, huwag kayo mag-skip ng ads. And I still have a lot of hauls and video contents that I want to share on this channel again. And it's finally, I'm back. I'm finally back. And yeah, again guys, if you haven't been a subscriber yet, please do subscribe on the channel and follow nyo ako sa mga social media accounts ko. And again guys, see you on my next one. Bye!